1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright YouTube, this is a video about splitting some leather thong. You can do this with rawhide as well. This is a pretty simple thing. What I did is I just have a cutting board and I cut a groove into it. It's about 3/4 of an inch and it goes down about 1/4 of an inch deep. And so what I'll do is I have this disposable razor blade, and you set it there, you know, about however thin or thick you want to skive or split your leather, and then I just have some clamps that I'll clamp this down with. Okay, now you can see I have this all set, the razor blade set in there, and you can move that razor blade forward or backward, and you move it forward and it will, it will thin out the string even more. You move it back, it will leave it thicker. And so let me set up the camera and I'll try to get a video of this. I got my Latigo string set up for here. It's about 1/4 of an inch thick and about 1/4 of an inch wide. So let me, just to get this started, let me shave down the end. You get it. This part's a little tricky to get it started. Okay, I got this started now. I just pull down. And there you go. You can do it to pretty much whatever thickness you want, just by moving the razor blade forward or backwards. So it's a pretty good way to do it. Thanks for watching.